Good Vibration Therapy. If you're a new visitor, the purpose of the podcast is to help you achieve anything you desire by utilizing powerful affirmations combined with music therapies. Utilizing the combination of these therapies accelerates the process to reprogram old limiting beliefs, negative thoughts, or self-sabotaging behavior. Included in today's affirmation therapy is a background music that is modulating at 295.8 Hertz, which is a binaural music frequency that is known to aid in weight loss results. Now let's get you started by getting you comfortable and closing your eyes and imagining for a moment that the air that you breathe is filled with weight loss success, motivation, and determination. Now I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold these positive statements for a couple of seconds, and I want you to exhale any fear, any doubt or worry about any challenges in your past that prevented you from achieving your weight loss goals. Now that you're empowered, relaxed, and ready to receive, repeat each of the following affirmations either out loud or in your mind. For best results, listen to these affirmations either upon waking or bedtime for 21 days. If you're listening upon bedtime, there's no need to stay awake, for the affirmations will be absorbed by your subconscious mind. I am finding it easier and easier to lose weight day by day. I am transforming into a thin, healthy, and happy person. I have total belief in myself, and I'm getting thinner every day in every way. I easily control my weight through living and eating clean. I will and I can achieve my weight loss goals. I become more focused on losing weight every day. I don't do processed foods or junk food anymore. Others are noticing how thin and healthy I am. I will achieve my weight loss goals. I believe and trust in myself to achieve my goals. I am quickly transforming into a thinner, healthier, and happier person. It feels good being healthy and thin in every way, every day. I let go of any and all negativity that interferes with my weight loss desires. I am quickly transforming into a thinner, healthier, and happier person. It feels good being healthy and thin in every way, every day. I let go of any and all negativity that interferes with my weight loss desires. I am thin and healthy now. Every day, I see myself being thinner and thinner in every way. Unhealthy processed foods do not appeal to me now. My body only craves healthy, whole, real foods. I wake up each day with a clear determination to reach my ideal weight. It's easy to get in the habit of replacing anything I buy with cleaner ingredients. I no longer believe that weight loss or achieving my goals is difficult. I am staying positive throughout my weight loss journey. I am and I always will be thin. Great job, guys. When listening to these affirmations in your mind or out loud, visualize them as statements that they've already happened and visualize yourself in a thinner, healthier body now. If you're interested in learning more about the power of belief and using your head to shed pounds easier than ever before, check out my latest book titled Change Your Beliefs, Get Faster Weight Loss Results in description below. Thanks again for listening, and remember, don't be a victim of your thoughts, be a master of them. If you like this content, please follow the show, like, and share with others that you think could use some good vibration therapy.